Hey everyone, today we're going to be unboxing and taking a closer look at this Logitech Performance Wireless Combo. It's the MK850 and it includes the keyboard as well as the mouse. Let's go ahead and dive right into opening this up. So spoiler alert, the Logitech MK850 Performance Wireless Combo has been my daily driver for a keyboard and mouse for about 2 or 3 years now. I've had zero problems with it. I've been very happy with it. And when my wife needed a new keyboard and mouse for her set, we dove right into this again without hesitation. I've been very happy with it. If you do want more information or want to pick one of these up for yourself, they are linked below in the description. So on the front of the box, it says comfortable keyboard and mouse with advanced multi-device functionalities. We'll talk about that here in a moment. On the side, performance wireless combo. And on the back, there's a lot of features. We're not going to go through all of them, but I want to point out a few of my favorites. First off, it is compatible with Windows, Mac, Chrome, Android, and iOS. So that's super convenient. Quiet, comfortable typing for hours. Now it's got the cushion palm rest here. So there's a big palm rest here at the bottom, extremely comfortable. Type and switch between devices. There are 3 buttons here. You can switch between 3 different computers and have easy access switching back and forth. One of the great features about this, and actually one of the reasons I bought it, take multitasking to a new level with Logitech Flow. So you can copy and paste text, images, and files between computers with this keyboard and mouse. Super handy as well. Contoured mouse with hyper fast scroll wheel. It's got a really fast scroll wheel. A couple of things I do want to point out. It's saying a 36-month battery life, and I rarely change the batteries on mine that I already have, so been really happy with that. 10-meter wireless range for the keyboard, 24-month battery life on the mouse, and mice tend to use a little bit more battery. And it is sculpted to the right hand, so if you're a left-handed mouse user, it's not gonna fit your hand very well. Now for connection-wise, it does come with the unifying receiver, which I find to be extremely quick. You can also connect it via Bluetooth. I find the unifying receiver to be a little bit faster, so I've actually gone out and bought extra unifying receivers for my other computers. If you do want extras of those, I will have them linked below in the description. So let's go ahead and open this up here. So in the box here, first off, we've got our unifying receiver right here. It's really small and it plugs into your USB-A port on your computer. We've also got our mouse here. Let's pull this out. And that's what that looks like there. Now I've found this mouse to be very comfortable. It's a little bit larger, so it works well with my hand, and I can use it all day without my hand cramping up like it does with smaller mice. You've got your buttons here. They make a little bit of a ticking noise. You've got your scroll wheel there in the middle. And if you push this button here, it goes into free scroll for really fast scrolling. So if I push that, it'll scroll really fast. And push it again, goes back to the normal mode. On the side here, several buttons. So there's a button here that you can scroll through 1, 2, and 3 for your different computers. So really fast to switch between computers. You've got 2 buttons right here as well. There's a hidden button down here, like that. You can also push in the mouse button as well for a button. So it's fully customizable. On the bottom here, the actual mouse model is M720 right there. It's hard to see. I'll try and zoom in and put a picture for you. You've got an on-off switch there. And if we pull this out, it does come with Duracell batteries in there. We'll go ahead and pull that tab out, and that looks to be a AA battery in there. And there is a little slot right there that you can put your unifying receiver in as well to store it when you're on the go. All right, it's time for the keyboard here. We'll pull that out. Underneath here, it looks like there's some important safety and compliance instructions, as well as instructions on how to connect your keyboard and mouse to your computer. So there's the keyboard there. Of course, you've got your number pad here on the side. You've got the padded wrist support there. It's almost like a rubberized feel to it. Looks really sharp as well. And there's a bit of a curve to the keyboard. Not a huge curve, just a mild curve to it. I find this really comfortable for typing, and the keys are not overly loud. Really comfortable to type with. Again, I've been using this keyboard for the last couple of years. Now you've got your buttons right here for switching between your computers or devices. You can just pick whichever computer you like. Really nice keyboard. You've got an on-off switch here on the side. On the back here, you've got adjustable feet, 2 different levels there, just depending on how high you want the keyboard on both sides. And the model on this keyboard itself is MK850. And let's see the batteries here. So this actually uses AAA batteries, not AA like the mouse, and there's 2 of them in here. So I'll pull the tab out. There's 2 Duracell AA's. So over here on my computer, once you've got the mouse and keyboard connected, download the free software from Logitech, Logitech Options, and you can fully customize your keyboard and mouse in here. So for example, if I click on my mouse here, I can adjust what the buttons do. For example, the forward button here, I can change it to all sorts of stuff. There's recommended ones, volume up, zoom in, paste, etc. And there's other actions here, everything from calculators, copy and cut. There's emojis, all sorts of stuff in here that you can change it to. And you can do that with all the different buttons in here. You can customize them. So really handy that way. If I go back out here, you can also change the point and scroll. So the scroll direction or smooth scrolling under that, as well as the pointer speed in here as well. You can also connect the flow. So if you do want to copy and paste between different computers, you can easily do that as well. Now over here on the keyboard, same sort of thing. You can customize several different keys on the keyboard, and it'll give you different options, whether you want the home page, keyboard shortcuts, all sorts of different things you can do in here, and customizing different buttons, maybe the calculator, etc. All right in there. Easy switch, so you can customize which computers your keyboard connects to, and all sorts of other settings as well. And you can even disable some of the keys in here if you don't want them being accidentally hit as well. So really easy to set up and customize the keyboard and mouse just how you like them. So the Logitech MK850 Performance wireless keyboard and mouse combo, what can I say? I've been really happy with it. It's held up really well. The one I've been using for the last couple of years, really durable, really comfortable to type on. And I really like that you can use it on multiple devices. Just push the button on the keyboard and the mouse, switch which computer you're using it with, and you are all set. You don't have to have multiple keyboards and mice sitting around. Very functional, really good looking keyboard and mouse that should serve you well for a long time.